I can see. One evening, Biggy the Beagle and his friends were on their way to the observatory.
Wow, are we really going to the top?
The observatory sparkled under the stars. It looked like a space station.
It's huge!
At the door, a friendly German shepherd named CTT, Search greeted them warmly.
Welcome to Star Hill Observatory, young explorers. Are you ready to see the universe?
Yes.
Biggy climbed onto a small stool and peeked through the telescope for the first time.
I can see the moon so close.
Biggy stepped back, puzzled.
How does this thing work? How can it make faraway things look so close?
CTT, Search smiled and brought up a floating hologram.
This is the magic of lenses. Telescopes use convex lenses to bend light and bring far things into focus, like this.
The puppies watched as light rays bent through the lens on the hologram.
Convex lenses curve outwards and focus light. Concave lenses curve inward and spread light. This is how your telescope sees faraway stars.
Now it was the puppies' turn to try.
Look, the letters look huge through this lens.
It's like magic science!
With new knowledge, Biggy looked through the telescope again, this time, with wonder and understanding.
I can see, and now I know how I can see.
That night, Biggy imagined himself as a great scientist, building his own telescope and discovering new stars.
Always stay curious, little explorers. Science is all around you just like the stars.
As the puppies rode home, they all fell asleep, dreaming of stars, science, and the magic of lenses.